Hi guys, okay, today I want to bring you my first ever unboxing since I'm barely starting out on YouTube, so I really hope that you like it and please like and subscribe for more updates. Thanks. Okay guys, so here as you see is the season 6 of the Vampire Diaries. There's the back. And if you want you can pause there and read off the description. Okay, and here we're gonna skip, so you won't have to see me take out the box. So here's the front of how it looks. Here's the back again, and as you can see, they use the same thing. And now we are going to open and see what's inside. I have to take that out. And here I'm going to take out the DVD menu, which is going to give you the episode guide. So here's the front. Awesome cover art. I really like it. I think it's the best one so far. Now here's the back, which gives you disc 5 and special features and the cast. Now here is episode guide from disc 1 through 4. Actually 5, I'm sorry. Disc 4. I'm just going by how it goes. Here is for disc 2. And disc 3. And that, now let's get onto the disc. Here's disc 1, disc 2, disc 3, disc 4, and disc 5. Okay, sorry, I had to skip that so it wouldn't take that long. And that is it so far. I hope that you really did like this unboxing. This is my first unboxing, and yes, I can tell that the plastic is off. I'm sorry, I took that off before I got it. Thanks for watching.